Hey, what's up everyone? Mike here in the BFH garage. Today's trail is going to be Wheeler Lake in Colorado here. This is a very scenic and beautiful trail. It starts right off at this mine up here, and I'm going to show you what all this looks like. So the first obstacle, known as the V-notch, starts less than 100 yards from the beginning of the trail. It doesn't look too bad here, but if you're not careful, you can get really tippy, lay it on its side pretty easy. They give you a couple different lines here. You could probably shoot straight up that notch, or you can take the middle, or you can try to take the high side, keep your wheel up on that left side. Fun obstacle altogether, but pretty mild. Oh, you bitch. Oh, you son of a bitch. Whoa. Stop right there, don't move a thing.
That's better. Much better.
We're fixing to find out. At least you have soft doors.
Stay on that line.
Yeah, you're way up on that high left side, which is good, I think. We're gonna find out. Easy.
You're good. Rear's coming up. Good passenger.
Nice crawl. That auto makes a world of difference. All right, here we are at the second obstacle. Again, you get a couple line choices. To the right side over here, you get another V-notch. It's considered the easy side. Over here, you get this big old wall, which doesn't seem too intimidating as you walk up to it. The problem is you have mud at the bottom. You have all the water back up here where you like to start, so your tires start off slicker and snot. So getting up this wall is a little bit more difficult than people think. Supposed to be easy just like that. But it never is.
There we go. Straighten up a little bit.
That's it. That's it right there.
You got it right there. You got it.
So your wheel was right in the notch I was talking about.
Okay, passenger.
Stay driver now, you're good. Or you turn passenger, either way. Yep, turn into that, there you go. Okay, hold up. There you go, you're gonna be good with that, for sure. Start, turn, driver. There you go. A little more. There you go, right there. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. Get going, what are you waiting on? Driving down the trail and we look up on the side of the mountain up there. If you look right above that tip of that tree, there's a car up there. I have no idea how it got there. If there's a road up there, it rolled off. I have no idea. I took a picture of it. I'll zoom in to show you guys, but that is way up there. Interesting story. We'll have to figure it out. Those of you not familiar with the term Rocky Mountain pinstripe, this is where you get it from. All this brush on the trail just drags along the side of your Jeep. Next thing you know, you're completely pinstriped out and you just don't care anymore. One more major obstacle to go over. It's called Bowling Ball Hill, and you can see it right about that 1 o'clock position. I'm going to zoom in for you. And if you look there, all the boulders on that portion of the trail are roughly bowling ball size, and that's where it gets its name. Not a particularly difficult portion to pass, but it can become a little bit slick if you're not a good driver. But Relatively simple. This is why I love Colorado. You have snowboard tracks right up on the side of that snow drift right there. People do this stuff throughout the year. My son will go out there and come down St. Mary's Glacier doing the same stuff, and it is just incredible. Hike back up. This area is very rich in gold mining. In fact, right up in that area there's a little mine opening right below that waterfall. In this video, I guarantee you will not do this place justice. You have to see it in person.